Okay, sorry for that interruption. It just started raining more, and my dog started to run away. There's the rain of the road with my blacktop. Now there's a car. That car. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. You guys are safe under my umbrella, so you guys are fine. You guys aren't getting wet. I'm getting kind of wet. This umbrella's kind of small. And I'm trying to keep my phone safe. Recording is hard. I've hardly been recording for a minute and I already hate it. Oh my god, rain is coming faster. Ah. Wait, oh no, my phone's getting wet. Okay. There's a puddle. Feet are in puddle. Yes, feet in puddle. Okay, yeah. Great, it's starting to rain harder and the wind's starting to blow more. That's great. Just a great day in Minnesota. But yet tomorrow's supposed to be warm enough to go swimming. Great days. So I don't know why I made this. I was just thinking I was gonna get more wet and soaked and you guys would have more of a show. Right now I'm just walking around being lame. Oh yeah, there's my neighbors. They're not outside being idiots like me. Okay. Okay, there's my trampoline. Yeah, I have a trampoline. Alright, that's about it. I recorded for 2 minutes. Is that good enough, YouTube? Don't know. Ah, I'm getting wet. Okay, maybe you guys will have a show. Like, it's starting to rain pretty hard. And like my legs and my shorts are like soaking wet. As you know, if you're like one of my friends online, like I told you it's been raining for almost 2 straight days. So I don't like it here anymore. Yeah. There's my surroundings. It's not very cool. Random question, guys. When does it rain where you guys live? Because like it rains all the time where I live. Like it's either rains or it's cloudy or it's perfect. Look at those trees blowing out. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys my pool and then I think I might stop recording because I'm like kind of tired of sitting out in the rain. It's cold. Oh my gosh, it started pouring. It's like on and off rain where I live. There's my pool. It's being covered up by this pool cover. Look at all that water though that got into the pool cover. Yeah, that's how much it's been raining. Ugh, too much rain. There was like a pool float that rolled out. Don't know what happened to it. Here's a big puddle. Well, you missed my puddle jump. Alright. Oh my god, it's starting to pour! I guess you guys can't see this, but look at that. Look at that rain though. I'm out in this. So are you guys, but like, you're not getting soaking wet like I am. Like, this is ridiculous! I've been recording for like about 4 minutes, I think. I don't know. Like, I think I might stop. I mean, the rain is like lightening up a bit, but like, not much. Still soaking wet. My phone's kind of wet too, so I don't know. It's starting to pour. I want to sit down, but then I don't. Here's that beautiful egg. No one's on the road. I guess everyone went home when they saw the rain. There's the sky. Dark and gloomy as always. You guys got kind of wet when I showed it up to the sky. Whoops. Today would be a good day to watch movies, but I'm not a movie person. So, if you want, probably in a little bit I'll be playing Roblox or something. So if you want to join, come join. But yeah, I think that's going to be it. Bye guys. It's just the Peach here.